Let's take a quick trip down the memory lane. Do you remember how we lived and worked in the 1990s? That was the last decade of the 20th century. Smartphones were a luxury. Internet download speeds tested your patience. And business? Well, it was done quite differently. Now, fast forward to today, in the last 2 decades, we have definitely moved from the industrial age into the information age. Technology has changed how we live and how we work. Today's work has become complex and interdependent, and the pace of change is fast and getting faster. Competition is global. We need the diverse expertise of teams to do the 21st century work, as no single individual can do it himself or herself. Now, how do you build a high-performing team in these circumstances in the 21st century? Team members may be scattered around the globe and they may be working virtually. Team members may come from varied backgrounds and culture, and teams form quickly and dismantle rapidly based on the need of a specific project. Unfortunately, most existing team building and team training models used today are stuck way back in the 20th century. They are outdated, irrelevant, and often ineffective for the complex and the dynamic work of the 21st century environment. Today, teams don't have the luxury to form and then norm before they start to perform. Outdoor team building events, climbing trees, holding hands, singing kumbaya, they do little to improve team effectiveness at work. We need a new framework for team building in the 21st century. Fortunately for us, in 2012, Google embarked on a project to find the answer to this question: what makes teams effective? As you already know, Google is a unique and highly successful company with a huge resource advantage. They recruited statisticians, organizational psychologists, sociologists, engineers, researchers, and many others to find the recipe to build the perfect work team. They begin by extensively reviewing the current body of knowledge on team effectiveness. Often, the research on teams was done by academic institutions. And who did they do it on? They conducted it on easy subjects. Guess who? The undergraduate students. Now, Google wanted to study real work teams and understand what worked in real life at real work and at Google. So they conducted over 200 interviews, studied 180 real work teams, and considered over 250 variables that included two main areas: team composition and team dynamics. Then they used their immense intellect and the computing power to do what? To run statistical analysis to hone down on the factors that really impact team effectiveness. Now, in this course, I have kept it short and to the point. I'm going to share the details of what Google found. The results surprised Google, and I'm willing to bet that they will surprise you. Why use the 20th century models for team building in the 21st century? Learn team building the Google way, based on the extensive research and analysis of real work teams in real world for the 21st century work. Learn what factors don't really matter at all to team effectiveness. And these are the common myths that are propagated from the 20th century paradigm. Learn what factors actually impact the team performance on any team. Learn how to build a high-performing team either at work or for social or other reasons. Learn how to measure and improve team performance of your teams. So are you ready? Let's get started.